Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make the Countryside Cardigan. It's a cropped crochet cardi with tapered sleeves and elbow patches. Today I'll be making the cardi in size extra small, and the full written pattern from sizes extra small to 3 extra large will be available for free on my blog. The link is in the description bar. You will need a 4.5mm crochet hook, a darning needle and some scissors. Today I'll be using Law from the Fibre Company in 3 different colours: Truth, Mystery and Stable. This yarn is 100% lambswool, so the cardigan has a nice structured fit. We're starting with the back panel, so choose your main colour and create a slip knot. Insert your hook into the loop. Chain 70. To start row 1, we're going to double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. To double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. You should have 68 stitches. To begin row 2, chain 2 and turn. Throughout this pattern, chain 2 doesn't count as a stitch. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Repeat row 2 until the end of row 35. At the end of row 35, we're going to change colours. For the hemline ribbing, I'm using Stable. To start ribbing row 1, chain 1 and turn. Throughout this pattern, chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. To single crochet, insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2. To begin row 2, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet into the first stitch. Front post double crochet into the next stitch. Wrap your hook around the post instead of inserting it into the stitch. Back post double crochet into the next stitch. Alternate between front post double crochet and back post double crochet until the last stitch. Double crochet into the last stitch. For row 3, repeat row 2. At the end of row 3, fasten off. For your front panels, you're going to follow the same method as the back panels. However, for your foundation chain, chain 30. To begin row 1, double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, and then double crochet in each chain until the end. you should have 28 stitches. To start row 2, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Repeat row 2 until row 35, and like the back panels, follow the same instructions for the hemline ribbing. Change colours, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. For rows 2 and 3, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the first stitch. Front post double crochet and back post double crochet until the last stitch. Double crochet in the last stitch. At the end of row 3, fasten off. Repeat these steps for a second front panel. To start your sleeves, create a slip knot with your third colour. I'm using Mystery. Insert your hook into the loop. Chain 34. Single crochet into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in each chain until the end of the row. You should have 33 stitches. To start row 2, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into the first stitch. We're now going to do a bobble stitch into the next stitch. To bobble stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat this 4 times. Once you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Single crochet into the next stitch. The side that's facing you looks flat, but when you flip it over, you'll see the bobble. Repeat the pattern of bobble stitch and then single crochet into the next stitch until the end of the row. At the end of row 2, we're going to change colours to the main body colour. To start row 3, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. You should have 33 stitches. To begin row 4, chain 2 and turn. Place 2 double crochets into the first stitch. Double crochet in each stitch until the last stitch. Place 2 double crochets into the last stitch. You should have 35 stitches in total. To start row 5, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Repeat row 5 until the end of row 7. At the end of row 7, you're going to repeat rows 4 to 7 until the end of row 15. To start row 16, chain 2 and turn. Place 2 double crochets into the first stitch. Double crochet in each stitch until the last stitch. Place 2 double crochets into the last stitch. To start row 17, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. For row 18, repeat row 17. Repeat rows 16 to 18 until row 36. To start row 37, chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in each stitch until the end of the row. Fasten off. Repeat these steps for the second sleeve. We're now going to sew the cardigan together. Use stitch markers or safety pins to pin the panels together while you sew. I like to use a mattress stitch to sew the front panels to the back panel. Once you've sewn the body together, fold the sleeves in half and line them up with the shoulder seam. Pin them in place. Sew the sleeves to the body. Fold your cardigan in half. Sew down the sides of the sleeves and the body. We're now going to crochet the neckline border. Insert your crochet hook into the corner of the front right panel. Secure your yarn and pull through a loop. Chain 1. Single crochet along the edge of the neckline. Make sure to keep your stitches nice and even. Too many or too few stitches will cause the neckline to pull or ruffle. When you reach the corner, you want to make sure that you have an odd number of stitches. Change your yarn to the bobble colour. To start row 2, chain 1 and turn. Single crochet into the first stitch. Bobble stitch into the next stitch. Single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the pattern of bobble stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, all the way along the edge of the neckline. At the end of the row, fasten off. Weave in all of your ends. If you'd like more of a rustic feel, you can add elbow patches. I have another video demonstrating how to create them below. And you've finished your countryside cardigan.